Hi friends, today I am making peas pulao using fresh green peas. Let's see how to make this. The ingredients we need for this are fresh green peas half a cup, 2 onions sliced, 4 to 5 green chillies sliced, mint leaves washed and I'll be finely chopping it. The spices we will need are 1 bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cardamom brown, cloves 5 to 6, green cardamom 5, a special cumin seeds which we call in India Shahi Jeera, cashew nuts sliced. I have chosen a pot which has a depth depending on the quantity of pulao I will make. You see that the oil is already getting heated. I have added quarter cup of cooking oil. The amount of oil again depends on the amount of rice that is being cooked for the pulao. So let this oil heat. Once it's heated, now I'm adding the spices and the cashew nut. First goes in the cashew nut. We will slightly roast this cashew nut to golden brown. And we need to take care not to keep the flame high as the cashew nuts can cook very fast. We do not want it to turn black. So just when it's turning golden brown, I have added spices, the bay leaf, the clove, the cumin sticks. Now they roast in the oil and the essence of the spices is released into the oil. I've added the cumin seeds as well. Now it's time to add the green chilies and rest other vegetables, the onion, the finely chopped mint leaves, and the fresh green peas. I choose fresh green peas because it enhances the flavor of this pulao. I add a teaspoon of Himalayan salt and let all these vegetables slightly roast well in the oil and cook. You see the onions have turned translucent. Now it's the perfect time to add water to it. We need to take care the amount of water we will add now. It depends upon the kind of rice and the quantity of rice we will opt to make the pulao. I am making this pulao with basmati rice, and for basmati rice it needs 1 cup of rice will need 1 cup of water. So since I am making the pulao with 2 cups of rice, I will need 2 cups of water, and I will add an additional half cup of water just to make up for the water that gets evaporated during cooking. Here goes in the second cup of water, and the addition half a cup of water just to make up for the water that gets evaporated as steam. This way the basmati rice cooks well and it doesn't get mushy. So we want the pulao in a consistency where the rice grains are fully cooked and yet separate from each other. They don't stick to each other. So this can be achieved only by controlling the quantity of water. I've also added salt, mixed it well, let this to boil, and then we will add the rice to it. I have already soaked basmati rice. It's been soaking for 20 minutes now. I prefer basmati rice for pulao because it gives a very good smell and its grains are long. It's just perfect for a pulao. But then, if you don't have this rice, you can use any other rice which you are eating at home. That should also be good. We just need to be careful with the water that we'll use, which depends on the type of rice. So for basmati, it's 1 cup of rice will need 1 cup of water. The other kinds of rice, the water requirement would be different. Now that the water is boiling, it's the right time to add in the soaked basmati rice. This is 2 cups of rice which has been soaking for 20 minutes now. After soaking, it seems to be a lot of rice, but it's actually 2 cups of basmati rice. All the rice has been added in. I gently give a stir. Basmati rice cooks fast. It will need 15 to 20 minutes to cook. After 15 minutes, I will check on it to see if there's any additional water requirement and then allow it to cook further for another 5 minutes. It's been 20 minutes that the rice has been cooking, and here it is. It smells good, just perfect. The rice grains are separate from each other. Lastly, I add finely chopped coriander and the most important ingredient, which is ghee. You can use 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee. This enhances the flavor and the aroma of the pulao. Let's mix it all well. Take care to be gentle with the rice grains. You see, this basmati rice grains are long and soft, so we need to be very careful while stirring it at this point. This is smelling very good. My peas pulao is ready now, and shortly I'll be serving this with the chicken curry I have prepared. You can eat it with any gravy of your choice. Thanks for watching.